Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another training video. And in this particular video, guys, I'm going to show you how to find trading signals using our Forex indicator. Okay, so this is the Forex signals indicator V2. Okay, so there's just three easy steps that you need to follow. Number one, you need to identify the trend and the strength of the trend. Okay, so if you look to the top left of the screen, you can see that we've got our indicator that can determine the strength of the indicator and the direction of the trend. So if you guys can see right there, it's telling us that this is a down trend, okay, and then the strength of the trend is 100%. So this is what we want. So we want to see a trend, and then we want to see a strong percentage indicating that this is a strong downtrend. This means that the market is most likely to go to the downside. Okay, so that's the first step that you need to do in order to find opportunities in the markets. The next thing is you want to see the price action indicator, which is right here that I'm circling right now. So this indicator right here, guys, it tells us based off of the daily candles, H4 candle, H1 candle, all the way down to the minute candle, who is much more dominant in that particular time frame. Okay, so if it's majority red, it means that on the daily chart or whatever chart it may be, that the bears are in control. The sellers are in much more control than the buyers. Okay, so once you've determined the dominant traders as per time frame, then you can go to the third step. The third step is actually when you now take the trade and use the take profit and the stop loss that the trading system has given you. Okay, so in this particular case, guys, if you look to the top right, you can see that we're given a take profit and we're given a stop loss. So the take profit is even represented on the chart, as you guys can see down there. You can see that is represented by a green dashed line, and then the stop loss is represented up here by a red dashed line. So what does this mean, guys? So we first established that this is a strong downtrend and the bears are in control. So now we need to be getting into a sell trade, because if the market is going down, remember, we need to open up a sell trade. Okay, so in this particular case, all our confirmations have come together, and then now we just need to open up a sell trade where the market is. Okay, and then this is where we're going to put our stop loss, and then that's where we're going to put our take profit. And there you have it, guys. In 3 easy steps, you have a complete trade with an entry, a stop loss, and a take profit. So if you guys have any questions, do send a DM or leave a comment. And yeah, if you want to know more information about this trading indicator, guys, send a DM, and then we will chat in the DMs and see what it is that you want to know. So anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I will see you on the next stream. Take care, guys.